If you get caught on a weekend or late in the day without the right accessories for that tool. Hi, Marcus with Toolmart here. Going to talk to you a little bit today about pipe threading. It's used in several different trades around construction sites, even for you guys do-it-yourselfers at home projects on the weekend. Let me show you a little bit about probably the largest component here is a rigid 1224, threads up to 4-inch pipe. This one would be set up more in a fabrication facility. So any of you that are threading pipe on a regular basis would be probably familiar with something like this. At Toolmart, we sell these brand new. We also repair them with parts and pieces in regular maintenance and also rent them. If you're not sure if you're in the market for one on the job site quite yet or just want to give one a shot, this is probably a great avenue to try, which is a rental. Service truck operators, you may be more familiar with something like this, the rigid 700. A lot of times you'll see these on the job site, more portable than the 1224 we just showed you, but capable of up to 2-inch pipe threads. This is something that we also sell brand new at Toolmart. We also repair these and we can also rent them for daily, weekly, or monthly allowances. So along with your 700 power drives, don't forget to pick up your heads. These will range from 2-inch all the way down to 1/4-inch, interchangeable. So no matter what size pipe you're threading, you can always find these at Toolmart. With that being said, we also sell other accessories for those tools. I'm going to walk you over here to where we keep the replacement dies. So the die head I just showed you, the teeth are interchangeable. So if you get caught on a weekend or late in the day without the right accessories for that tool, we stock them here at Toolmart. So rather you're looking for 1/2-inch replacement teeth all the way up to 1.5 inch, 1 inch, all several in stock, always available, and can get you up and running on the job site in a matter of seconds by just a quick change to your tool. For you do-it-yourselfers, the first two tools that we talked about may have been a little large or unfamiliar. This is probably something that's a little more familiar, the 12R. This is a manual hand threader. This is going to use the same die head that we saw before. From 1/4-inch all the way up to 2-inch, snaps in, and you're ready to take care of your outdoor activities or anything you're working on around the house.